what if the next big Samsung foldable isn't trying to be thinner, but wider? Because that's exactly what Samsung seems to be cooking up right now. With Apple's first ever foldable iPhone rumored for a September 2026 launch, Samsung isn't just sitting back. Instead of replacing the Galaxy Z Fold, Samsung is reportedly adding a whole new foldable to the lineup, something internally being called a wide fold. And yeah, the timing here is not subtle. According to reports out of South Korea, Samsung plans to launch this wider foldable alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Not instead of it, meaning in 2026, Samsung could have multiple foldables targeting very different users. And this new one? It looks suspiciously like it's designed to go head-to-head with Apple's foldable iPhone. The biggest change is the shape. This wide fold is said to use a 4:3 aspect ratio when unfolded. That's a big deal. Most foldables today feel tall and narrow, almost like a stretched phone. A 4:3 screen is more tablet-like. Websites fit better. Photos look more natural, less awkward cropping, fewer black bars. Basically, it feels less like a compromised phone and more like a mini iPad that folds shut. The inner display is rumored to come in at 7.6 inches, which is almost identical to Apple's foldable iPhone panel, said to be around 7.58 inches. Even the outer screen sounds familiar. A 5.4-inch cover display very close to Apple's rumored 5.3 inches. Same size, same ratio, same idea. Coincidence? Probably not. Samsung has already fixed a lot of the classic foldable problems with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's thinner, lighter, the crease is far less obvious, and the cameras are finally good enough that they don't feel like a compromise anymore. So now that the basics are solid, Samsung's next move seems to be experimentation. Different shapes, different use cases, more choice. And this wider design could genuinely appeal to people who never liked the tall, narrow fold look. If you've ever picked up a fold and thought, why does this feel so cramped when open? This might be Samsung's answer. There's also some interesting tech rumored on board. This wide fold could be Samsung's first foldable with Qi 2.2 wireless charging and built-in magnets, similar to what we're expecting on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. That means better alignment, more efficient charging, and potentially a whole ecosystem of magnetic accessories. Fast wireless charging is expected too, reportedly up to 25 watts. The strategy here is pretty clear. Samsung wants to launch this device months before Apple enters the foldable market. Get people locked into the ecosystem early, offer them a foldable that feels familiar, practical, and maybe even more refined by the time Apple shows up. We've seen something similar before. Oppo once experimented with shorter, wider foldables, like the Find N series, before eventually switching to Samsung's taller design. Now Samsung might be doing the reverse, going wide just as Apple steps in. So this isn't just another foldable, it's Samsung saying, we see what Apple is doing, and we're getting there first. Now the real question is, would you actually want a wider Galaxy Fold, or do you think Samsung's current design is already perfect? Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.